Hey everybody, welcome back to week 2. Now week 2 we're going to go through booklet 4. We're going to have 3 lessons this week. So nothing too much, but definitely important stuff. So if you remember last week we were working with percentages and decimals. We're still going to work with that, but we're going to try to apply it to some real situations that you might come across. So the first thing we want to do is calculate discounts. So that's lesson 1 of booklet 4, and that's what we're going to look at today. So it says, discounts, like taxes, are calculated based on the original price of the item. Since they are based on the original price, they can be represented as a percentage. Calculate 20% of a discount of DVD that costs $30. So we're saving 20% of $30. That's what a discount is we're saving. So how do we do that? It says, convert the discount into a decimal by dividing by 100. So 20 divided by 100 is 0.2. That's what we did last week. 0.2. And then from there it says multiply your discount by the cost. So we're saving 0.2 of $30. So when we take out our calculator and we put 0.2 multiplied by 30, we end up getting $6. That's how much we're saving. The dollar sign looks kind of funny. That's how much we're saving by saving 20% off of $30. So saving $6. So let's try to calculate what we save off of the items below. Use a different color. So try calculating the amount of these next purchases on your own. So you can pause it and give it a shot on your own. But if not, we're trying to find out what is 35%. That's 0.35. And we multiply that by the price. So 35 multiplied by $22.50. So we take out our calculator, we put 0.35, and we multiply that by $22.50, and we get a number that looks like this: 7.875. So you might remember that we round these to 2 decimal places because it's money. 7.87. So I look to the 5, and since that's 5, I'm going to round that 7 up to 8. So we're going to back it up, and that's going to become an 8. So that's how much money we save. Put a dollar sign in front. That's how much money we save if we were discounted 35% off of a shirt that cost $22.50. We'll keep going. 75%. By now you're probably getting quick at doing the percentages. You know that's 0.75. And I want to multiply that by $16.99. So when I put that into my calculator, 0.75 multiplied by $16.99, 16.99, we get this number. I saved $12.7425. But we know that we only round to 2 decimal places. So I have to look to the number after the 4, and it's a 2. So since it's a 2, that 4 will stay as 4. Because remember, if it's 5 and above, you round up. If it's 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, we keep it the same. So I'm going to end up keeping the same. So I don't need to change that. And we save $12.74 if we were discounted 75%. That's a big discount. Big numbers, close to 100%, so we're saving a lot of the money. Now, the next part says if we are trying to actually calculate how much we would pay. It says discounts are subtracted from the original price because we're saving that amount. So let's calculate all the way through how much we would actually pay at the register. So the next one says, calculate the price after a 15% discount of a video game that costs $52.45. So we're going to calculate the same way. I want to know what is 15%. So I know that you have gotten good at calculating these. 15 divided by 100 is 0.15. Then I'm going to multiply that 15% or 0.15 by the cost, which is $52.45. Not a whole lot of room here. $52.45. So when I calculate those and I put that into my calculator, I put 0.15 and I multiply that by 52.45 and we get 7.8675. But remember, we're going to round to 2 decimal places. So because there's a 7 after that 6, I'm going to round that 6 up. So it's going to become 7. So I'm saving $7.87. So let's see how much will actually cost. It says subtract the discount from the original price. So the original price was $52.45. And I'm going to subtract $7.87 from that. So I put those into my calculator. The original price, $52.45. Subtract $7.87. And we found out the new price is $44.58 for our new item. So it was originally $52.45. We had a discount of 15% and we found out our new price is $44.58. So let's do 2 more down here. You can pause it if you want and try on your own, but I'll continue along. So when you hit play, you're ready to go. So next one says the price of a jacket is $75 with a 25% discount. So you know that 25% discount is 0.25. Multiply that by $75. And that's going to be our savings. So I'm going to put that into my calculator. 0.25 multiplied by $75. And we get $18.75. So that's how much we're saving. That's how much we're saving off the original price. So I'm going to take the cost of what we're buying, and I'm going to subtract what we're saving to find the new price. Well, remember the cost of what we're buying was $75, and we just saved $18.75, and that will tell us what our new cost is. It originally was $75, and I'm going to subtract my savings of $18.75, and it's going to cost me $52 or $56.25 to buy the jacket now. And that, as I said, is our new cost. And that's how it works. I have 1 more to go, and I'll give you a chance to try some. So last one here is we're saving 50% of $112.64 on a pair of shoes. So 50% is 0.5. I'm going to multiply that by $112.64 to see how much my savings will be. So when I put that in my calculator, 0.5 or 0.50 multiplied by $112.64, we get $56.32. Once again, that's how much we're saving. So I'm going to subtract what I'm saving from the original price. So the original price, let's use black. Cost minus saving. So the original price is $112.64, and I'm going to subtract $56.32. When we put that into our calculator, it's going to give me the new cost of all of my items. And when I do that, we find out that it's also $56.32. So you might say, why is it exactly the same as the original price? Well, remember, we're saving 50%. That means we're saving half. So if we're only paying half, well, we should have the same as the amount that we're saving as the amount that we're paying if we're only paying half. 50% is half of the original price. And that's the first lesson from this section. There's a worksheet for you to try.